Okay, so if you're a realtor interested in using social media to grow your business, this video is for you. I'm going to break down the number one and maybe a couple other mistakes I see when it comes to realtors using social media to build their businesses. So if you are struggling and you are not growing, this is the video for you. We're going to break down exactly what might be going on and what mistakes you might be making. Hey there, it's so good to see you. I'm Kaz. I'm a lead digital marketing coach. I'm here to help you find paying clients with your paid and organic social media. Okay, let's get straight into it. So the number one mistake I see is realtors only posting about their houses. So their post will go something like this. Oh, I just got this listing. Hey, here it is. Oh, it's an open house. Hey, come see us. Oh, I just sold this house. And that's all their content is. And I understand you want to promote what you're doing. You want people to see what you're doing. You want to get word out there. But your content really has to be something more, okay? So honestly, I would say that is the number one mistake. Maybe you're making this, maybe you're not. Conversely, I do also see, and I see this a lot of different industries, but for sure, realtors, for sure, they go completely the other way, right? So they don't post anything about any houses or anything like that. They're just posting like their outfit of the day, get ready with me, all of that stuff about their family. And what you really need is you need a balance, okay? And also, I think you really need, when it comes to talking about your houses, you need a better kind of strategy in place. We need, you know, when you sign, we need to like tease the house. Then we need a run up to the open day, right? The open house. You need like, if that's what your strategy is and you're wanting people to come in and see the property, you need to let people know way advance of the day that there's an open house. Like, there's an open house, you should come, here's why, here's the property, here's where it is, da, 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 da. You need to give people at least a week, honestly, before the open house so that they have time to plan, prepare, contact the realtor, all this good stuff. Really also, when it comes to Instagram, you really want to be making sure you're using those hashtags of people who are local, people who are moving, or people that are selling their house. A lot of people post and they use these hashtags, so you want to make sure that you are coming up in the searches that people are doing for your homes, okay? So definitely when it comes to promoting that, then once you know you have the open house, then post it, I would say every other day, but also intersperse content about you. It's a good idea to lay out content pillars. One should definitely be your business, your house. One should definitely be things about you, and then maybe some interests in it. So definitely think about that, because you don't want to just have your content be one-dimensional. It has to have more to it than, oh, this is me, or oh, this is my houses. These are my houses, this is what I'm doing, this is my business. We need more than that, honestly. The other key mistake I see realtors make is they are not filling their leads, okay? So you really need to make sure you have some kind of awesome email list that you can continually email any new property to. And so you can go about filling your lead list either with Facebook ads or just posting something regularly. Now, I like a freebie, and I think a freebie works perfectly fine if you are a realtor. I like things that are going to help buyers, especially, and it really depends on your niche. So if you're going after first-time buyers, then you need to think about things that are going to help first-time buyers. If you're going after the luxury market, then you need something that a luxury buyer is really going to need and use, okay? Maybe it's a luxury checklist, maybe it's a do this before you buy a house kind of checklist. I like checklists a lot, honestly, for freebies. I've also run ads where we have promised like exclusive listings. So we created like a little brochure that had like pocket off-market listings, and we marketed it like, hey, you know, these are exclusive listings that only we have access to. Sign up for our list in order to get the regular freebie, the regular brochure that's going to promise you these listings. I don't think realtors are posting enough to fill their email list so that they can continually market to a pool of buyers. When it comes to real estate, it's a big purchase. This isn't something, you know, for the most part, depending on who you're going after, we're not talking about like lifetime value, repeat purchase. As I said, maybe your target audience is real estate investors. So yes, you would want, you know, a really substantial database of real estate investors that you can market to consistently. But ultimately, I just don't see enough of realtors building their list. And I think a good way to do it is with a really good freebie, but you need to think about what the freebie is and if it's applicable to your target market, whoever that is. So put all that together, put that out, and then that's content that you can drive people to. Okay, so if you're a realtor, I want to know in the comments below, how are you using social media to grow your business? Let's share tips, let's share insights, let's share information, let's get a conversation going, and let's really help each other out. Okay, so you've heard this advice, but you're still like, oh, I still hate social media. I struggle with it. I struggle to be consistent and always have things to post. If this is you, I understand and I want to help. Basically, I want to invite you to check out my Social Simplified Text Club. It is a monthly club where every Monday through Friday, you will get a text message with some content that you can literally copy, paste, and post. That is the whole premise of what this is, and it's going to help you to be consistent with your social media. It is $14 a month. You sign up, you start getting text messages, away you go with your content. You never have to worry about any of the things I've just told you. You will be consistent with your social media, and obviously what we send out is applicable for different industries, but it is very good content because it's going to help you to get people engaged and help grow your following. Within it though, you can intersperse your homes, your listings, everything related to your business. So I definitely invite you to join. Check out the link below, and I would love to see you in this Social Simplified Text Club. All right, that is it from me. It is so good to see you. I'm so excited to have you back. If you enjoyed this video, definitely consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to this channel. I push out content like this every week to help you build your business with paid and organic social media. I cannot wait to see you next time.